Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in black sapphire metallic. So alongside the very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is a brand new set of 405M 20-inch style alloy wheels that do come with brand new tyres all the way around. Situated just behind those alloys, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got the fantastic full BMW M Sport Plus pack. The car itself is an early 2017 plate. You will of course see that it's got the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Moving down the side, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, the matching YNC sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals alongside the sun protection glazing. And of course throughout that, hopefully you'll be able to see just how well all of the additions we've made works with that very nice black sapphire metallic, alongside working tremendously well with the lighter Oyster Dakota leather. That comes with electric movement, memory and heated seat functions for the drivers and passengers. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. You also get the very nice Harman Kardon surround sound. In the rear, we've of course also got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and a darkened M Sport headlining once again, which works really nicely with that lighter interior colour. Moving around to the rear of the car, again showing you off those tremendous 20-inch alloy wheels. So at the back, you will see on this car we've gone for a carbon fibre effect rear boot spoiler and a gloss black rear diffuser. Of course, being a 435D, you do get that superb, very intelligent xDrive four-wheel drive system to keep all of that power and torque in check and towards the road. Very large boot space. On the Gran Coupe variant of the 4 Series, you also get split folding seats and removable top and bottom partial shelves should you require any more room. Round at the other side, we can of course again show that this is a very clean and tidy example of a nice 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. And of course all of those additions really do make this a very standout car, especially with the options of the M Sport Plus package and of course the standout 405M style alloy wheels. Inside the car, we'll go over a couple more of the interior features. The car does of course also come with that lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll run you through a couple of the functions and features of that. Beginning with the screen that's on there now is the DAB list. You also get a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, the AUX and USB inputs. We've also got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio. The fantastic sat nav, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the most suitable route to get you there as fast as possible. In terms of the main menu, there you can see everything is separated into the little sub-menus, again making things as user-friendly as possible. Down here you'll see the dual climate control, where we find our switches for the heated seats. This car also has a rear-facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors, again just to make life that little bit easier for you. Going back to the main menu, I'll check out the service requirements and service history in just a second. It's covered just over 45,000 miles. Does come of course with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with the paddles for that fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And now going across into the service screen, you can see there that the next service is not due for 16,000 miles time. Up in service history, you'll see there we've got full BMW service history, again completing another walk around video for a superbly spec'd, superb condition 435D M Sport Gran Coupe here at Your Next Car. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Of course, if you do want any further information, there's always a link to our website alongside direct contact details for ourselves once again. Thank you very much, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Do of course take care and goodbye.